Hi guys, welcome to Online Lifestyle Hub and I am Sudhir Mohan. So, I have a question for you. Is there anything that you want to do in your life? Okay, but people are not supporting, you are not able to make money, you want to do that thing because you love that to do, but there is not so much potential to make money. It means you are not able to make money with that, and but money is something that you need to pursue that. Okay, because every passion, everything needs money. Okay, so if you love something and you are not able to make money with that, but you want to do that, I have a solution for you. So just keep watching this full video so that you can get to know that what is that thing. So let me tell you first why I am telling this to you and why it came into my mind. So I am Sudhir Mohan. I was a Taekwondo player. Taekwondo is a martial arts, Korean martial arts, and it is an Olympic level Taekwondo. It is an Olympic level game. Okay, you have nationals, internationals, everything is happening. But everyone in Taekwondo, especially students who are practicing it, who are playing that game, there is nothing by which they can make money with that. Okay, means there is no support, there is nothing for Taekwondo players to be motivated. Okay, because at last of everything you need money. You need money for everything. You need money to take care of yourself, to take care of your family, to take care of your children, and to pursue that thing, because that will also need some money. That there are investments, there are expenses. Okay, so I have been through that situation. So in Taekwondo there is no support from the government, there is no support from the federation, no support from my family, no support from others, no support from my friends. Only people who are in Taekwondo, because they also love, so they support me. But Taekwondo is really a very beautiful game. Yes, you fight there, we fight there, but it is very beautiful game. Okay, and I love that game. So I am doing that game right now, but not as a career, because I don't want to get into something where I cannot make money. Okay, because at last you need money for everything. So I am not pursuing it as a career. I love to do that thing, so I am doing that as a hobby. And as a hobby, I love to do that. I just enjoy that thing. Okay, so now I was doing that thing, but my father didn't like it. Okay, so he just don't wanted me to do Taekwondo, and after doing for six years, from 2008 to I think 2015. Okay, I was doing Taekwondo, and I was just playing, spending money, going to places. I have been through all over India because of Taekwondo. And I have spent a lot of money on that game. Okay, so and I believe that you also have done that, because if you are in a game, if you are in any passion that is letting you to travel, but you are not able to make money, then you will have to invest by yourself. Okay, and there all problems start. Okay, so that was a problem for me also. I really loved that game, but I had to leave that game for some time, because I found a solution for myself. Okay, to that can help me to be able to pursue that thing, and without any tensions, without any tension of making money or anything. Okay, so there is a solution for you also. You can start, and let me tell you, I will go deeply into directly into the topic. So there is one thing that is called an online business. You can run an online business from anywhere in the world right now, where there is an internet connection and a laptop or computer. Okay, you can start that thing easily. But before starting that, and let me tell you how much you can earn. You can earn from 1 lakh rupees per month to 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 1 crore, and above that also. Yes, you can make that, bro. I am not just saying that I am not just saying that this can happen. This is happening with people, because but that needs some expertise, that needs some time, and that needs you hard work, smart work, dedication, commitment, investment for building that thing that can make that much of money. But if you ask me, for a normal person, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000 means below 1 lakh rupees is okay to live a good lifestyle, and that is something that is doable easily. Okay, and I am saying this because I am watching this happening with me. I am watching this happening with my mentor, my mentor's mentor, my mentor's mentor, and many other people who are in this industry. Okay, and the industry that I am talking about is affiliate marketing, online training and coaching, consulting industry, e-learning industry. Okay, and it is a $325 billion industry right now. Okay, and there are a lot of strategies that you can use, and one is email marketing that you can use. Look, the concept of whole online business is same. You have to understand some things, some basic knowledge, and then you have to implement. And while you are implementing, you are doing things, you will become better at everything. Okay, and you will become better at selling, you will become at making money, you will become better at conversions. Okay, you will become better at growing your business. So, and it can become your passion also. Okay, it can become your passion also. If you are earning a lot of money, if you are able to use that money to take care of yourself more in more better way, in more you can take care of your family in more better way, you can use that money to invest on yourself in a better way. Okay, then it can become your passion also. You will love to do that. Okay, and you can help many other people also. That is what I am also doing. I am helping others because I have the solution. I was in a problem. I just did all the things, all hard work, everything, and right now also I am working on myself. And online business is something that you just need 2 hours every day, 2 to 3 hours every day. Yes, you will need time. In beginning, you will need more time in building that thing, because if you are doing a game also, you need to invest more time to be better at that. So the more you will invest time, the more you will become better, and the more you will become better, the more you will have the opportunities to make money. So now let's talk how you can start that. So below there is a sign up button, sign up link for my live webinar, where I am going to go into deep how you can start step by step. What are the 5 steps? How you can make money? How people make money online? Okay, and how you can create that online business. And let me tell you one more thing. I will tell you how you can earn from multiple sources of income. How you can build multiple sources of income. Because if you are dependent on one income source, then there is a very big chance that you will lose, because if something happened to that, then what will you do? So for that, you should build your multiple streams of income, and you can do that one by one easily, and you can create 12 to 15 different sources of income, but you will have to do the same thing, and you will be able to make money from all those things, all those income sources. So today in 2019, internet has given a lot of opportunities to us, but we don't take that advantages because we are not aware. So I want to aware you that you can start that thing, and if you love something that you want to do the whole life, look, I want to do dance, I want to do taekwondo, and I am getting the time to do that. Okay, the best thing is that I am getting the time, because I don't have to invest a lot of time in any job, in doing some work for someone else. Okay, so I am able to do that. You will be able to do that if you will start in the right way. So sign up for my live webinar. I will be doing a live webinar. Once you will sign up, you will get the schedules for my live webinar, and just come and attend my live webinar. I will be live there. I will be helping you in that, and I really want to help people. I don't want to just give something that is not usable or that is substandard. I want to help because there is something that you also need to understand. If you are helping people, you will make money. If you are and you will make in long term money, okay, not just a short term money, if you are really helping people. So be in a mind of helpfulness, and if you are starting or not starting, I don't care. If you are serious, you will go to the link below and sign up there right now. And if you are starting, then I want to tell you, you have the best time to start right now, because internet industry is booming, e-learning industry is booming, many people are getting online. Okay, and yes, today I read in a post that Facebook is a very good way to get clients to make money. If you know, that is good. If you don't know, let me tell you, Facebook is a way that you can use to make money. And how many people have more than 5 billion people have installed Facebook app, and you can use Facebook for making money. I am telling you this. Okay, so to know all the things, to learn more, to start that thing to be able to do your passion, to able to pursue your passion, to make money as well, and to take care of your family and to live a good lifestyle. Just sign up. I will help you in this, and I will meet you live in my webinar. So sign up right now. Thank you so much. Bye.